All right, today we're gonna bring our VEVOR machine. This is an air blower. Now, if you guys can see, everything's well tucked in here. This is for jumpers or any kind of events that you have, or facility, or things that you need to inflate. This is perfect. So we're gonna set it up today and we're gonna inflate something. So let's go ahead and do that and see how well it works. All right, these things come with picks. You got your power on, and then we're gonna inflate this thing. So let's go ahead and do it.